Woke up for work this morning, I got into my car. Nilimas nga yung sasakyan natin kagabi. So, kinuha yung mga barya natin dito. The good thing is I decided to take out my camera from here last night. Could have been worse. Full sunglasses, kinuha mga papel sa glove box. Nilimas lahat. I don't know what are you gonna do with that. There's load of tickets. They took them. I don't know. Bawi tayo. Fucking hood rats, man. Crazy. Stupid. Stay classy, Saskatoon. Bakbangan muna ulit tayo dito sa Triple J's. We have a lot of cars to do. Our first work order this morning is itong Ford Escape. Nakita nga daw tayo ni Bossing sa Facebook, so we booked this car in for a $79 full synthetic oil change. Si Bossing nakita din tayo sa Facebook. Nagbaka sakali siya ngayong umaga for a quick oil change and papatingnan nga niya yung maingay sa sasakyan nila. Nga ni Bossing dito na yung wheel bearing and brakes niya sa likod ay palitin na. So orderan muna natin ng piyesa yan. Bossing naman dito dumaan for a quick lug nut retorque. Kung niyo po palang kakalimutan na bumalik at magpahigpit ulit ng gulong after 50 km